A lot of circumstances when we want to do collab, we have to firstly press open in collab. So you will see that this is package that I have installed in GitHub. And then you will see that we have got here we have got the triangle here. So once you press it, then it will run. Okay, it should be able to run. And remember to log into your Google account. Now for this one, you will see that we have got the symbol of the hashtag here. Whenever you see the hashtag, it means that you have got the comments and the comments will not be able to run. The usage of the hashtag is usually to remind you what you are doing here. For example, here, addition. Result 5 plus is equal to 5 plus 3. So we try to print addition. So we just give the instruction that we would like to do the addition, and then we have got the results here. So if you see that below that addition equals to 8, so that would be the answer. And so as like, for example, subtraction, result is like 10 minus 4. So print subtraction and then comma result. So you will see that there is a subtraction there. And then the result is what is seen here. So why do you will see the subtraction and also the colon together? Because you have got the print open quotation marks and then close quotation marks so that you will see the words here that will be print and then plus the result that it is what it is calculated by using the equation. So it is just like substitute the 10 minus 4 into results so that you will have got the 6 here. So computer science, a lot of circumstances, it is a kind of like mathematical thinking where we try to have got something like substitution. And then multiplication, 6 star. Okay, you can see that we have got the star here. The star is just refers to multiply. And then likewise for this one, it is refers to like division. And then this one is like 4 division. Okay, double. So we have got the 2 slash. And then for the modulo, then we have got the percentage here. For exponential, this one we have got the 2 star here. So that refers to the 2 power to 5. So say for instance 2 power to 5, so there's like 32. So that here you will see that I have got lots of explanation in words. So how can you write that? Actually, whenever you try to add some comments that you don't want to run in collab, an alternative way, apart from adding the hashtag, if you have got a very large paragraph, they will try to add the plus wording here. And then if you want to like add another line of program, they will use like plus and then program. So another one, Celsius. We have got a Celsius to like Celsius to to conversion. So we have got the we will try to explain like what it is shown here. So for here, it is like it shows like what are the calculation. Okay. So so anything after match tag is means that it is like for cooks only and then we will not run. So this line in itself, it prompts the user to enter a temperature in Celsius. So the input function is to use to read the input from the user, and the float is used to convert the input into the floating number, that is a decimal number. But this sort of things that is very common in computer science programming, like for example in R, they have got something that's similar to ensure that any decimal value can be correctly handled. Okay. So this is a kind of like data type. Okay. And then they have got the equation. So you will see a start here. So it's multiplication and then division is like slash and then plus 32. So this line is equivalent to the temperature in F, the based on the input temperature in Celsius. And then the formula is actually used to calculate the conversion, okay, the temperature conversion here. So and then next. So we have got a print function is to display the output. So similar to the previous one, we have got the print function. So as to ensure these work that it happen and that is shown here. So if you try to calculate, so that you will see that this one, we have got the box here, so that we have got the inputs here. So say for instance, we try to put like 8 and then enter, so that they will automatically calculate the temperature in F. And then the next one, that we have got the area of triangle. So if you try to press here, then you have got a triangle base, for example. So why it is base? Because it has got the input there, and then enter the base of the triangle, for example, 8.9. So because it's a float, it means that, well, we can actually try to ensure that the decimal is like converted in the right place. So and then we have got like, for example, 8.9, okay. And we try to press enter so that the area can be calculated here. The next one, that we have got a scatter port. So we try to use a scatter port, and then which means that we try to plot something. Matplotlib is mainly used for like plotting something. Okay, for example, here we have got the x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you see here, that we have got the x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. First point 1, second point 2, and then third point 3, and then fourth point 4, so on and so forth. And then the y, that we have got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so that we each of the point that is accordingly 10, 8, 6 whatsoever. And then we have got the label. We have got the label, that we have got the plot x label, so that you will see the x label is like x, and then y label is what here. And then we have got the title, so we have got the plt dot title. It means that it's like title here, scatter plot. Plt dot show, it means that you try to show the graph here. And then actually, for the no matter it's like plot x label and plot y label, you can try with other words, like for example, female and then male and then whatsoever. And then if you try to change those in red here, then you should be see another title for like the x label and y label, and then so as the plot and also as the graph title as well. Next is about the bar chart, which is always used in Python. So for example, we will try to import a package that is a matplotlib pyplot as PLT. So we have got the categories, which is a category A, B, and C, and D. So we have got the values, which is like 10, 20, 15, 12. So we have got the plot graph, we have got the categories and also values. Okay. So here we have got the X label, which is like categories. So if you go to like X label, so we have got the categories here. And then we have got a Y label, which is like values. So here it just shows you some of the things that we would like to plot. We have got the categories, which is like category A, B, C, D, E. So that we have got the X label category, so that it will automatically plot the graph, because it's just so like plot the graphs, categories, and also comma values. So this just tell us like what are the things that it will be plot into the x-axis and x-axis and also the y-axis. So for the x-axis, it's like categories, and then y-axis is the values. So that's why that you will see the bar charts here. And then if we try to do like another one, there's a pie chart, for example. So we have got the labels here. We have got the labels here, like labels, apples, bananas, oranges, mangoes. So that we have got the size 30, 25, 20, 15. And then colors. So we have got some colors, red for apples. So why red for apples? Because it's the first one that appears. Yellow for bananas, because it's the second one. And then third one is orange for oranges. Green one for mangoes. So that you will see that green one is like for mangoes. And then we have got the 16.7%. Why 16.7%? For here that we have got like 15 and then divided by the whole total. That is like total is like 30 plus 25 plus 20 plus 15. And then for like 20, for this is a third one that's orange. So orange in itself, that they have got 20 divided by 20, and then they divided by 30, 25, 15, and also 20. So that we actually have got the percentage. Okay. So why that we have got a percentage? Because we actually create the pie chart. The pie chart actually we have got the labels, color equals to color, auto PCT. So it is a percentage. So the percentage in itself that it shows is like, as well as that 15 divided by 30 plus 25 plus 20 plus 15, so that we have got a percentage here. The plot, the title, which is fruit distribution, so that we see the plot, the fruit distribution here. DLT.show, it just shows the charts. Okay. And then the next one that we have got the calculate the mean and also median. So we will try to use like statistics package, import mean and median. So we have got the number 12, 15, 10, whatsoever. Okay. Mean value is equal to mean of the numbers. So the numbers is what we set here. Median value, median bracket number. So number refers to this set of number as well. So we try to print mean and then mean value so that we have got the answers mean, which is equal to 12.375, and then median, which is like 12.5. So you can change the numbers here, and then you should be able to run another set of the median and also mean value. So another way for which that the Python is usually used for is to calculate the compound interest. The same as before, we have got the to give the computer instructions. So actually it's a principal. Principal is equal to float and then a bracket input and then enter the principal amount. So we have got the amount here. For example, the amount is like this amount, 10,000, and then we have got the interest, which is like 8%. And then the time period, like 5 years, for example. So you may ask a question, why all of them, they have got the inputs? Because actually input box, because it is like, you can see the input is there. So it means the input box is like given. Float that we can actually change that which allow us to like input to have got like the decimal point. So a decimal point can be correctly shown. And then so we have got the answer here. So why that we can obtain this answer? Because actually the equation is here, compound interest is equal to principal star and then bracket 1 plus rates divided by 100 and then double star. So double star is actually power to the power of like time, for example, 2 years or 3 years. Okay, so we have got the print compound interest so that we will just know like what is a compound interest here. Next, we try to create a random number. What is the use of it? If you want to calculate the Mach 6, okay, for example. So we have got the import random. So random number is like random. We have got 1 to 10. So if you change it, for example, if you try to change it, not 1 to 10, but it is like 50 numbers. For example, we want to generate number for Mach 6, okay, 1 to 50. So that we try to generate and then print here. So we have got the random number is like equals to 22 this time, but not the previous number that we have got. Because of random, it just said that it is from which number to which number, so that they can just like have got some number in between. And then next, we have got the calculation of the body mass index. So we have got the weight again. So you can see the float, right? So that we should see the rectangular box again. So if you click it. So for example, we have got the weight, which is 55.55, okay, 555, and then enter. And then we have got the meters, which is like 8. And then so that we have got the BMI here. So BMI is equal to weight divided by height to the power 2. So print BMI and the BMI, so that therefore we have got the answers here. And then next is about the sum of the digits. Okay, so we have got the sum of digits integer